Jatend migawo mar tuke Mvurya wacho ni Kenya oikore makare kendo oseketo okenge mowinjore mag arita kwee motelone tuke mag CHAN. Koloso e mbele kamati mar od bura mochung'ne tuke, Mvurya nolero ni pewe mamoko migeto bagi e tuke mag AFCON ma higa 2027 bende sirikal dhi nyime gi loso e rang'iny madwarore.
Part of the stalemate was a pending bill of 627 million by the county government. And we agreed that the county government will be settling that one, as we also manage the 1.5 billion part of the spending that we'll do in Kakamega. So Bukungu now, the contractor is on the ground. In fact, I just saw a certificate last week and we have paid, and therefore he should continue. And we will be monitoring, we will hasten implementation so that this becomes part of the AFCON grounds in 2027.